Okay, let's take a look at this problem. Now from our formula, we got sum and difference identities, and this is obviously the sum because it's got a plus, and it says alpha plus beta. So let's identify everything first. This would be alpha, and this would be beta. Now from our formula, let's see, sine alpha, cosine beta. So sine alpha, cosine beta, plus cosine alpha, sine beta. So we're going to plug in everything we identified. Alpha we said was 2x, so we're going to have sine of 2x, cosine of beta, which is x, plus cosine of alpha, which is 2x, and then sine of beta, so we got sine x. Now our goal is to get it to look like one of these, and obviously we're not there yet. And all of these I notice are just strictly in terms of sine and cosine, and you can have some squareds on there. So this is good. That's cosine x. And this is good. That's sine x. But here we got the double. So I should have had the page number written down here in this instead of wasting your time scrolling through. But, okay. Now, sine 2 theta is easy. We rewrite that as 2 sine cosine. So sine is 2 sine x cosine x and cosine x plus, now this one's a little bit trickier because you got 2 options. And first off, let me simplify this first part. We got 2 sine x. Cosine times cosine would be cosine squared. Okay. Cosine squared. I don't have a cosine squared. So it appears like I'm going to want to rewrite cosine squared in terms of sine. Which means that probably it's going to be one of these ones with sine squared or above. Because we got sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. So I can take the sine squared to the right side, and we would have cosine squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared. Okay, so we're going to rewrite cosine squared as 1 minus sine squared. Now, that might tell us that the one to use here for cosine 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine squared. So this would be 1 minus 2 sine squared times sine. So then I multiply sine through. Sine times 1 is sine minus 2 sine squared times sine is sine to the third. Plus, now I'll bring that down again. Now if I multiply this through, 2 sine x times 1 is 2 sine x. 2 sine times negative, that gives us negative 2 sine to the third. Because sine times sine squared is sine to the third. Plus sine x minus 2 sine to the third x. Well, negative 2 and negative 2 is negative 4 sine to the third x. And 2 sine plus sine is 3 sine x. Forgive my writing. And actually, I guess we're done. It matches that then.